Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Haptic Academy. Today in this episode we will be learning how to disable haptic feedback on ChatGPT application using your mobile device. To disable haptic feedbacks on ChatGPT, launch open the ChatGPT app on your device and log into your account. Once you're in this main home screen, tap on the two horizontal lines at the top left and in the expanded menu, click on your name at the bottom. This will bring up the settings menu. From the settings menu, click on the toggle button right next to haptic feedback at the bottom. Soon after you have this toggle button off, this will stop your device from vibrating when you interact with ChatGPT. If you ever want to enable it back again, you can simply toggle on the button right next to it, and that is it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.